morning in Barrett and a special head teacher is beginning his day. Before approaching his immaculate vehicle, he looks in the mirror and checks that no hairs are out of place.
Walks out his house and admires his perfectly cut grass. Once he is happy, he starts his journey to school.
Don't approach him when he enters his car, as he needs to check there is not a speck of dust anywhere to be seen.
After his long journey, he arrives safely and parks in his own special spot, which could not be closer to the school gates.
3 seconds later, he enters the school building and checks that Miss Mannion had remembered her most important job, making Mr. Barrett's morning coffee. Once he is wide awake, his eyes are immediately drawn to any item that is out of place. Teachers and pupils need to beware as he patrols the corridors silently with the stealth of a ninja.
Observe this unique creature in his natural habitat as his fingertips move at lightning speed whilst typing 7 emails at once. You will see he is mostly happy when giving advice on art lessons. Note the incredible detail with which he describes the process and journey that children should undertake.
As the afternoon starts, Mr. Barrett begins to think of his assembly. Note his incredible ability to think on the spot and deliver funny anecdotes that make the teachers laugh.
Look around and you will see the true impact of a spiritual leader who has worked tirelessly for teachers and pupils all over the past 19 years and is still not a hair out of place.
We will miss you, Mr. Barrett.